Manifesting is easy. Stop overcomplicating it. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about the fact that you are overcomplicating manifestation and how to stop it. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to go check out my Manifest Your SP course at ritakaminski.com/courses. This is a 14-week program where I guide you step by step on how to manifest your specific person. There I included my in-depth guide on how to do so, weekly homework, affirmations and meditations, and lengthy videos explaining again in detail, step by step in chronological form, how to manifest your SP. These are very easy, succinct steps. Comparing my course to videos is night and day because I am able to provide hundreds of hours of energy into that course where I can meticulously order it in the way that I want, where I can put an hour-long worth of content per module, per step, with very detailed notes on how to manifest your SP in all of the ways that I have manifested my SP step by step. And it is something that one YouTube video simply does not cover. So if you want to invest in yourself, if you want to invest in a program that is at the same level as going to actual school, you put money towards your education, right? Why not put money into educating yourself about creating your reality? Check all of that out at ritakaminski.com/courses. You have testimonials there, frequently asked questions. If you are worried about the payment, we have a payment plan ready for you where you can pay $111 every 2 weeks. So you can literally just type in ritakaminski.com/courses or click on the very first link in the description box down below. Also, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me or join my collective coaching program, all of the information and links will be in the description box down below and also accessible on ritakaminski.com. Why does manifesting feel so complicated when it's actually supposed to be so simple? Now, here's a truth bomb for you. Manifesting is easy. Yes, it is as easy as ordering your favorite coffee or deciding what to wear after you've just went on a shopping spree. Oh, how exciting is that? But somehow along the way, we've been convinced that it's this mystical 1,000-step process with no guarantee at the end. So let's talk about why manifesting feels so complicated. Raise your hand if you've been told that you need to visualize every day, you need to make a vision board, you need to make a gratitude list, you need to disprove your limiting beliefs, you need to raise your self-concept, you need to affirm 1,000 times a day, you need to meditate 20 minutes in the morning, in the nighttime. Oh, and don't forget the crystals. And while these tools can help you along the way, they're just that, tools. They're not the magic. You are the magic. There are things that you can utilize if you feel excited to utilize them, but everything is manifesting in here and in here. You are just using those outside tools as a way to help yourself, but they're not needed. And I also just want to say that just because you are robotically affirming and robotically affirming works for you, don't let that get in your way. If one of these tools are working for you, keep using them, but stay consistent with it and know that this is the tool for you to help you get your manifestation. But it's not the end all and be all. It is something that if it works for you, if you're excited to do it, it will
help you and expedite the process of getting your manifestation. But it is not the one and only way to do something. Nothing ever is. Like, y'all are expecting just one person to tell you one way of doing things, and that is the one and only way for you to get your manifestation in the fastest way. Newsflash, that person doesn't exist and that technique does not exist, because not one thing can get everyone everything. It's what works for you. The tool that is the end all and be all for you is the tool that helps you get into the state of the wish fulfilled the best.
Here is the secret sauce. Manifesting is actually about what you assume to be true. That's it. That is the only thing that it ever has, ever is, or ever will be, period. If you strip away the rituals and the tools, you are left with just one thing: your beliefs. This can be you just being in the state. It's the exact same thing. The tools like robotic affirming are helping you to get there, to help you believe, to help you get into the state. But that's just one thing. It is knowing that it is true in your reality right now. Everything in your life comes down to what you assume to be true about yourself, about your life, and the world around you. That's it, period. Rather than filling your days with countless manifesting exercises, ask yourself this question right now. What do I believe to be true in my reality? That's it. That is the state that you are in right now. If you are manifesting a text from your SP and you get a text from your SP and you're shocked by that, that means you're not in the state of having that thing. If you are manifesting getting 50 enrollments per month on your course and you are surprised when someone enrolls in your course, you are not in the state of someone who gets 50 enrollments per month. The key is, how am I thinking about every category of my life? How am I thinking when I see things, experience things, interact with things in my life? If you are manifesting traveling the world and being financially free, but then see on Instagram someone doing the same thing and you are having some negative feelings about it, you are telling yourself that you are not in the same position as that person. Because if you were, you wouldn't be caring what that person is doing, because you'll be living your own damn life. If you are manifesting weight loss, but you are consistently bogged down with the weight that you have on right now, as hard as it may seem, you're not in the state of a skinny person. It is literally just that. What are you assuming right now in your life to be true? And that is what is true in your reality. That is all it is, guys. That is where the real power lies. What do you assume to be true about your desires? Now, I want to ask you a powerful question. A question that can literally change your perspective on manifesting and making it feel easy to do so. Are you ready? Here it is. If I already know that my desire is on its way, how would I think? How would I feel? How would I act? The answer is simple. When you know that something is coming, you're relaxed. You're excited, but not obsessed. You're able to go about your day without constantly checking if it's working or not. That is the secret behind successful manifestors. They go about their day knowing that their manifestation is already here or it's coming soon. They don't doubt it, they don't worry about it, they just know. Think of the Abdullah story where he tells Neville Goddard that he is in first class traveling to Barbados. He does not stem away from that. He continues to repeat that to Neville. What are you talking about? You're going to Barbados. You are already in Barbados and you went there in first class. Door slam. And this brings us to the biggest truths in manifesting. Manifesting was never meant to be hard. Think about it. We were born into this world knowing how to dream, knowing how to ask for what we want. Children have no problem in telling their parents, hey, I want this toy, and then running off to play, fully expecting that thing is on its way to them right now because they are worthy, they are deserving. All they have to do is ask. They don't get hung up on how it's gonna happen. So where along the way did we lose that? Where did we start doubting, overthinking, analyzing, over-consuming, and trying to jump through hoops in order to get our desire? Manifesting is supposed to be natural, like breathing. All it takes is intention and a knowing that the universe, God, your subconscious mind, your higher self, whatever you believe in, has got your back. A relaxed knowing. Here's how we simplify. No rituals, no magic crystals, unless you're into them. Just 3 steps that'll make manifesting easy and fun again. Number 1, clarify your desire. Get crystal clear on what you want. Don't overthink it. What do you really, really want? If nothing could go wrong, if no one was gonna be mad at you, if anything was possible, what would you want? Number 2, assume that it is already happening. It's already done. Imagine it's a done deal. How would that make you feel? Would you feel confident, excited, grateful, relieved? Try to feel those feelings now. And number 3, go about your life with confidence. Stop overanalyzing, stop checking. Do what makes you happy in each moment, because you already have it and you're already happy. So why not continue that fun time? Live your life as though your dreams are already realizing. Take inspired action when it feels good. For example, I have inspired action to film videos when I want to film videos. Those are the perfect times to film and to upload to get me to my manifestation of 1 million subscribers. Let the universe, God, your subconscious mind, your higher self to figure out the details. The how is not your problem. Let me emphasize, you do not need to obsess. This is where people get stuck. They overthink every detail. They try every technique under the sun. But when you know that something's coming, you don't need to force it. It's already yours. It's coming. So if you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Manifesting is easy when you let it be easy. All the tools, techniques, and rituals are great when you enjoy them, but you don't need them to get what you want. You don't need to have the perfect manifesting routine to get what you want. You don't need to affirm as much as possible to get what you want. All you need is clarity and confidence. Trust me, you can do this. When you let go of the need to control, when you stop complicating, you make space for your desires to come in. Let the universe work its magic. Let the law of assumption work its magic. Believe it's already done and watch how naturally everything unfolds. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.